When you make your loaves of bread or zucchini bread or banana bread, does it stick to the pan even with non-stick? Here is the easy way to get it out. Get a little strip of parchment paper. I do grease and flour the pan, but it does still stick. So what I do is cut a strip of parchment paper and just lay it down underneath. We'll go ahead and see how well that picks out of there. Kind of hard to do it one-handed, but it just lifts right out there and it doesn't mess up your loaf of bread. Look at that, perfect. Just a little strip of parchment paper. Alright. I used to have my loaves stick in the pan all the time, and it's like, oh yeah, I tried everything from just greasing them like it says, then started flouring and it still would stick, and then I'm like, okay, let's try a little strip of parchment paper. There you go. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.